Pain is in the building.
What is going on, you guys, and welcome back to another video on the channel. My name is Brandon. If you are new here, if you're new to the stock market, be sure to subscribe. We post a video every week. And if you're looking for some additional learning, some additional sources, we do offer a training course. You can learn more about that down in the description below. But I wanted to start off by saying happy holidays to everybody. I know we took a week or so off, and I hope everyone had a really great time with family and relatives. Maybe you're even watching this in the new year. And if so, happy new year to everybody, because I had a little bit of time to kind of think about what are the big plans for the channel in 2020 and what are some new exciting videos we can do. And I landed, well, I didn't really land on this idea. There was a comment that came in saying that you should do a portfolio off, similar to a bake off or like a cook off, like a chef battle of some sort. Essentially going out and picking 5 investments, and the comment was saying my dad should pick 5 investments too, and then we compare them over the course of the year or over the course of the time. And to that, I want to say, first of all, thank you for the awesome suggestion. This is an idea that never crossed my mind, and I absolutely love it. I think it's such a good idea. I think it'll obviously be fun and entertaining, but I actually think it'll be educational. I think we'll be able to learn a lot from this. But while I was thinking over the past couple of days, I figured, why limit this to myself and my dad? Why not include the entire community and do like a year-long challenge for our subscribers, for our viewers, for anybody really that tunes in and watches these videos? On a side note, I also wanted to say thank you guys for like an amazing 2019. As you guys know, or as some of you may know, we did just pass 30,000 subscribers, which is a great milestone. And we've had so much support in growing this channel, especially from our Canadians, because I'm over here in Vancouver, and I'm just so thankful for that. And I figured a way of giving back is that we can do this challenge, which will be, again, fun and exciting, but more than it just being fun, I'm thinking that the winner of this challenge, I'm not thinking, I've decided, the winner of this challenge is gonna walk home with $1,000 cold hard cash. And it'll probably be more of an e-transfer or like a PayPal, so digital cash. But to me, as well as this will be an exciting experiment, it's also a way that I can give back and just show my support for you guys. I really do appreciate all the views, all the likes, and this is something that anybody that's watching this can enter. It'll be, of course, completely free, and somebody will walk home with a pretty nice chunk of cash. And kind of as the comment implied, I think we should keep this challenge super simple. We'll go through and you can submit 5 stocks. I'll do it, my dad will do it, and any of you guys can do it. I'll actually include a link down below this video. I'll have a form, I'll build up a form on our website where we collect your data, your entries, and I'll compile that all together. But it will be as simple as picking 5 stocks. The rule will be it has to be stocks, right? No cryptocurrency, none of that. 5 stocks, Canadian and US. Be sure, of course, that when you're submitting your picks, make sure you put .to after the ticker. If you are picking a Canadian stock, for example, Royal Bank, ry.to, Barrick Gold, abx.to versus just a normal ticker for our American stocks. Be sure you put that down so I can get it properly. We'll just treat it as though we have equal positions of maybe like a $10,000 position, and we'll simply see in aggregate which 5 picks does the best over the course of the year. What I thought was that we will have, I did this a little bit late. What I thought is that we'll have a week here for people to watch the videos, and the cutoff for the entries will be Monday, the 6th, 2020. So it'll actually be the first Monday of 2020, and we'll jot the data down from there till the very end of the year, and we'll tally them up. And I have no idea how many entries we're gonna get for this, but what I'll do is I'll export all of the entries. I'll get them all compiled up, and we'll be able to see like track as we go through the year who's doing well, who's doing poorly. Now, there is something very important that I want to talk about, and I want to make clear. This is a major disclaimer regarding this challenge. This whole idea of making money and seeing who does best over a 1-year period, you guys know that this is the exact opposite of what we preach here on the channel. In fact, challenges like this are things that I usually stray away from. I usually think it's a bad idea to try and promote and teach investing over a short period, like a 1-year period. Even those things like in class, those little class simulators that you do in high school, where you try and make the most money as possible over a semester. Those are just teaching people the wrong habits in the stock market. And our subscribers of the channel, you guys know that. Our students in our academy, you guys know this is the polar opposite of how proper investing should be done. As long as we have that in mind, and as long as we know that we're coming into this challenge with a lightheartedness and it's a fun experiment, and we'll actually be able to learn how difficult it is to select stocks over a 1-year period because of all the things that are beyond our control. We have no idea what's going to happen over the next 6 months, 8 months, 1 year, with elections, with the economy potentially spiraling into a recession, with tariffs. We have no idea. And it's really a fool's game to think that you can pick 5 stocks and predictably do well over a 1-year period. When it comes to a 10-year and a 15-year rolling period where we have data to look back at and we know how the markets perform over that time, that's a whole different ball game. And that's really what we should be striving for. If we could do a real challenge here, it would be a 10-year challenge, but I don't think that's too realistic. As long as we know, as a disclaimer, that we're not promoting here to go out and buy 5 stocks and with your real money and try to make money over a year, which is an absolute fool's game. That's just too short of a time period to reasonably and responsibly invest. As long as we know that, I think that this is just going to be a lighthearted challenge, a fun way to include and involve the entire community. And it's something that I'm personally looking forward to going into 2020. And someone's going to win a nice chunk of money too. So that was really this video. That's really all I wanted to share for this one. Like I said, because I'm posting this a bit late, we are going to have a week from now till Monday the 6th, 2020 to get your submissions in as people go through and, maybe come across this video a little bit later. I think it's going to be really interesting to see what types of stocks people pick. Are they going the aggressive route? Are they going the safer route? Again, as we go through the year, we will do some progress checks and we can keep kind of like a tally of who's doing well. Dividends, of course, will be included. That's obviously a component of the overall return. So that is something that just popped in my mind now. If I'm forgetting anything, I'll throw it up on the screen because I know I'm forgetting something here. But all in all, again, I want to thank everyone for an amazing 2019, and I'm super, super excited for 2020. I hope everyone out there is ready to kill it with their personal lives, with their investment portfolios, and really just tackle what the new year has to bring. Hopefully with this challenge providing a little bit of fun along the way. So as always, guys, if you did enjoy this video, if you enjoyed the challenge, leave a thumbs up down. Leave a thumbs up on the video and leave your thoughts down below this video. Are you excited for the challenge? Can you leave any hints as to what your favorite stocks will be? I'm very curious on hearing your opinions down in the comment section below. Feel free as well to share this amongst your friends, amongst any groups that you're in on Facebook or Reddit, or anybody that you feel would benefit from this. I know it's technically decreasing your chances at winning the grand prize, but I think what is more important than the money is to spread the awareness and get people involved and really just see how this experiment, how this challenge pans out. As always, if you are new to the stock market, learn more about our Investing Academy. We're helping beginners. It's that first link down below. We're taking complete beginners from nothing, no account set up, no nothing, all the way through the process of getting their portfolios built, getting their account set up. We do it through an online trading course. So if you're interested in learning about that, that'll be that first link down below. But as always, I thank you guys for watching. I'm excited for the new year. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next video.